Want thick, shiny hair? Here's the secret. Many people take biotin supplements for better hair, but did you know your body can naturally produce biotin? The good bacteria in your gut help synthesize it, which is why antibiotics often lead to hair thinning. They disrupt this balance. Instead of relying on supplements, focus on biotin-rich foods like egg yolks, liver, salmon, and nutritional yeast. But be careful, raw eggs, alcohol, and magnesium deficiency can interfere with biotin absorption. Another crucial nutrient, vitamin or retinol, only found in liver, egg yolks, shellfish, and cod liver oil. It controls sebum production, keeping your hair naturally glossy. For stronger, shinier hair, increase omega-3 south while cutting back on omega-6 fats. Add fish oil and cod liver oil to your diet to support hair health. A missing gut microbe, L. reuteri, could also boost hair growth and shine. Plus, copper helps prevent dull hair by balancing iron levels, but modern farming depletes copper from our foods, making deficiency more common. What to eat for healthier hair? Egg yolks and liver, for biotin and vitamin A. Salmon and cod liver oil, rich in omega-3s. Fermented foods, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, support gut bacteria. Organic foods to minimize nutrient depletion. Trace minerals, essential for proper nutrient absorption. These research-backed recommendations focus on nourishing your body from within for naturally thick, shiny hair.